Oh, Nina guys, muntu nimbulala ephila. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with
Yo, sana uyaphela. Yo,
Oh guys, can we actually speak about how pregnancy ruins our bodies? Especially if you're a mother of two. You know ukuthi owokuqala umntwana obviously ukulethela umkhaba, uwisamabele, wakwenza waba sidudla. And since we all know ukuthi money can fix your body, our very own Vyoga Zinweni went to Izmir, a monoclinic, to do her body makeover. It is popularly known as a mummy makeover, where you do your stomach, isisu sakho bayasiyehlisa, uba nefika, and then you do your breast. It's either breast reduction or baphakamisa amabele wakho ukuthi ame straight. So I think she was suffering from ifupa because obviously makuqeda ukuzala guys, ungasifasa isisu, but whenever you udlile or like osuthi, like isisu sakhula or uba sidudla, maybe she just wanted to get her old body back. Gonna the procedure looks like it's painful and all, and the way people are judging her goes here we are pela guys. I never do, they are not comfortable. Besides being comfortable, sometimes the gaining weight, like ungaba na certain sicknesses, abanye they don't like ukuthi akakwazi ukwenza certain things, abanye they just don't like being body shamed and all. And guys, yo, my comments win, guys. Can you just can you be fast, guys, and stop body shaming people and stop saying no, she's doing this because loyana sekamuvile on ngempilo yakhe nalo sekamuvile on ngempilo yakhe. That's why she's going all out, like sekazithanda more, uzibeka kucala. She wants to fix herself for herself. She's getting collaborations from Abosheni, from weave hairstylist, uphinde uyathengisa nokuthengisa weaves, and she's also, I think, have a YouTube channel, but I don't think she posts a lot go YouTube channel yet. But I'm super proud of you guys. Yes, guys. Some women can even pick themselves up after pregnancy because postpartum, after postpartum, you have to deal with the depression of being a single mother and all. I just like the fact Wuti, she chose herself. She's working on herself, and she's also using her money on herself. Like she's being a girl. She's just a baby. And like, guys, what are your thoughts on this? And would you go and do a mommy makeover? Thank you for watching.